PC Paul. I've been a police officer here for 16 years, and in January I reverted to Islam. Alhamdulillah, I'm very happy. Assalamu alaikum, brother, how are you? My role is to interact with the community, so it's really nice because I've been here for so long. I know the young children, I know the the older people, the grandparents, the parents. It's like one big family actually. So if I have a problem with a child, if they're naughty, they're being stepping out of line, I can take them home to the parents. Nobody sort of, a lot of people said, oh, inshallah, one day, Paul, you're going to you'll be Muslim. But no one really, they've not sort of tried to force or anything like this. And it's just over a period of time I started studying the Quran and I started to look into Islam. And it's just such a wonderful, wonderful, peaceful religion. In a period of 5 months, I've read the Quran twice, and I've not missed a prayer. Young people, they'll come to me and they say, Paul, because I can say to them, are you praying? Because I know I'm praying all the prayers, and it's nice because they'll come and say, actually now we're praying. So alhamdulillah, it works together. Like I can rub off on them and then they will inspire me and they'll rub off on me. People have asked me, why did you choose Islam? And my answer is, I didn't choose Islam. Allah chose me, alhamdulillah. I've got no doubt in my mind, I've been put here for a reason. I'm not just a local policeman, I'm like a brother, an uncle, a son, a nephew, a friend, and I'm blessed.